Hello guys and welcome back. I am Mr. LH and this video is part 2 of a series in which we are creating a static platformer. In the previous video, we had explored the different kinds of platformer based on camera movement and had created basic movement for the bear, who is our main player. If you haven't watched part 1, you can click the iCard above to watch it. All part of the series will be available in a playlist. Let's revise what we did the last time. If we click the right button on our mouse and we click on this cleanup blocks, all the code will come in a single line. Let's shift this here. This block right here, when the green flag is pressed, it will set speed to 0 and then forever change speed by -1, and it will change our y by speed, and this will continue until it is touching ground, and once it touches ground this script will stop. This is for basic falling off a bear. The second, when the green flag is clicked, we set the rotation style to left and right. There are 3 different rotation styles: left, right, don't rotate, and rotate all around. When the green flag is pressed, forever we will check if the right arrow key is pressed. It will change x by 10 and it will point in direction 90. Similarly, if the left arrow key is pressed, it will change x by -10 and point in direction -90. This block, when the green flag is pressed, forever, if the right arrow key is pressed, it will keep switching costumes. And this is same but for left arrow key. Let's see all of this in a And that's how the bear walks. Today we will be seeing jumping, health and damage. Let's create jumping first. From events, when green flag is pressed, we will create a new variable and call it y velocity for this sprite only. When green flag is set, we will set y velocity to -1, and forever we will check if it is touching ground. Then we will set y velocity to 0. Now we will change y by y velocity outside of the if then statement. And we'll change y velocity by -1. And for jumping, from events we'll take when space is clicked, change y by y velocity by 10. Change y by y velocity. wait until touching ground. This last line will ensure that we cannot keep pressing the space bar. Let's see all of this in action. There. As we can see, when we press the space bar, we keep jumping, but we cannot double jump. We can delete this entire section since we won't need it anymore, since it is now covered by this. We can do one more thing. We can go to looks and switch costume to bear walking air, so that whenever we start, we can have this bear in the starting position. Now people will argue that there is a simple way to do jumping. Yes, I'll agree. And let me show you. When green flag is pressed, when space key is pressed, we can do a simple thing like repeat 10 times motion, change Y by 10, duplicate, change Y by -10. Let's see how this block works. As you can see, it's not very realistic, and some may say
मजा नहीं आ रहा है.
but if we see this, and now we see the jumping, it's realistic. And here
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
now some may say we want two, not only space, but we want even the up arrow key to act when we are jumping. The solution is very simple. We'll place a forever loop here, and if block here, we'll remove the space from here, and from events we'll take the green flag, we'll take the OR block, and from sensing we'll take key space is pressed or key up arrow is pressed. And now as you can see, I'm pressing the space and the up arrow key, and both are working. Let's create a health system. For that we'll make a variable for this sprite only and name it health. When the green flag is pressed, we will set health to 15 or any number you like. And now we will create an enemy. I had selected and saved a drawing of a bear trap. Let me just import it. Yes. Let's enter this. Convert to vector. And it's entered. Set size to, let's say, 30. Yeah, that's looking good. And now we will have various various bear traps in one level. So instead of setting for bear to sense the bear trap, we will set the bear trap to sense the bear. When green flag is pressed, forever, if from sensing will take touching bear, let's delete health from here and make it a variable for all sprites. Set health to 15. Change health by -1. And let's see how that works. Whenever a game will start, we will go to this position. So let's set it, and now let's see. You can see the health is reducing, but we have a problem. It reduces very fast, as you can see. So we can change that. And we can broadcast a message from here. Broadcast message, damage. And when bear will receive damage, he will go to the starting position. Let's see how that works. There, it reduced only one time. Now we can add some animation. Let's see. We'll start sound pop. And now our damage is done as well. Now if we duplicate this, we have two bear traps. Bear trap 1 and bear trap 2. Let's see how. Let's start again. The bear traps are too big to jump, so let's set the size to 15, and this also size to 15. Big enough for it to jump. And you can see, if we now touch the second bear trap, it will receive damage as well. But if we would place the same script in bear, we would have to name it. Like how we can see here, that key space pressed or key arrow pressed, you would have to make a long list of all the traps, and it would be a tedious task. And this has made our task simple. Let us add one more enemy of a hunter. And set its size to 15%, maybe 20. Yes. Now let's give it a logic. When the green flag is pressed forever, we'll do it so that it always points in direction of the bear. We will set its rotation style to left and right. and it will always point towards bear. Let's see how this works. There, it's pointing towards bear, but if I shift it to this side, it will point towards this side of the bear. And there. For now, the hunter does not do any damage, but it always points towards the bear. We will set the logic for the hunter in the next video. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, please do check out my merch store. I have started a merch store with new designs dropping every week. Customized and personalized printing also available. DM me on Insta. The quality is really good and you can check out the quality at the site while shopping. There are various types of item available and it starts from rupees 219 only. So please pay a visit. It really helps support the channel. Use the coupon code EARLYBIRD to get an additional rupees 50 off. Offer valid for a limited time only. And hey, if you are enjoying this video, a sub to the channel would be really appreciated. It takes a lot of effort to make these videos. And there you have it. We have created health, damage, and the jump for our bear. If you did like this video, please leave a like, and I would like to hear your opinions in the comment section below. That's it from my side. Peace out.